Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from money. The core principle is investing, which means putting your capital to work so it can generate additional income or appreciate in value. This isn't about quick schemes, but rather a strategic approach to wealth building. By understanding how to leverage different financial tools, you can set your money on a path to grow significantly over the long term. It's about making smart choices today for a more financially secure tomorrow. When you're ready to invest, you'll find a variety of options, each with unique characteristics. Stocks, for instance, give you a piece of a company, offering potential for substantial growth. Bonds, on the other hand, are like lending money, providing more predictable, steady returns. Real estate can be a tangible asset that appreciates and generates rental income. For broader diversification, consider mutual funds or ETFs, which bundle many investments together, spreading your risk across hundreds of assets. To truly make your money work for you, a well-thought-out strategy is essential. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across various asset classes helps mitigate risk. Reinvesting any dividends or interest you receive is a powerful way to supercharge your compounding returns. Also, consider dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, which helps you buy more when prices are low and less when they are high. Patience is a virtue here, as long-term holding often yields the best results. Finally, managing risk and maintaining a long-term perspective are crucial for success. Before investing, assess your personal risk tolerance. How much fluctuation can you comfortably handle? It's also wise to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your objectives. During market ups and downs, resist the urge to make impulsive, emotional decisions. Remember, building wealth through investing is a journey that requires patience and discipline over many years, not just a few months. Stay focused on your long-term vision.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.